Okay. This just arrived in the mail. I ordered this thing over a year ago, probably almost a year and 2 months ago. It is a friend AI pendant thing, formerly known as Tab, and then the insane person who runs this company decided to kill Tab and name it Friend for whatever reason. We're gonna open it and see what it looks like, and the packaging inspired by interesting things. Let's see. There's a little pull tab, which doesn't feel very good. There's the friend. This plastic wrap feels chintzy. What is? Oh my god. Okay. I guess just get at the corner. Oh wow, it's really tough. There. Ooh. Okay. I'm glad that I finally got this. I was beginning to get worried that this would never arrive, because I had reached out to the CEO person, Avi Schiffman, like 6 times asking for an update on my order and never got one. I emailed, I called the support number on their website, I DM'd on Twitter. I did a lot. Okay, so there's this little booklet. Your new roommate is waiting, and then it also says it in French because it's made in Canada. Friend, quick start. I guess we'll save that for later. I do like the green color scheme here. It's sort of refreshing. Reminds me of the green on Apple pull tabs. That's the most similar thing I can think of. This is weird. Oh, you just sort of, there's no like tab, you just, okay. Do I pull up? How do I do this? I just take it out. Oh, ooh. Okay, I don't like that. This feels very hobbled together. I don't like this. I had seen photos of the packaging and I thought like, oh, that looks like sort of well put together. No, this is a nightmare. FRND 179. Does that mean I have the 179th friend? Is that what this means? It does, huh? I don't know what that means. Why is it friend 179? If this really is if I really do have that number, then that is insane that they've only shipped 178 in 2 months. Okay. There's the little lanyard thing. Ugh, gross. It's like stuck onto the paper with glue. And now there's glue on the, oh God. What are they doing? This cable feels very cheap. This is bad. I don't like this. A little rubber band. Yeah, this feels like the string on like a drawstring bag. This is not like a high quality knit or anything. You can even see on this piece, well, you might not be able to super well, but there are a lot of imperfections in the plastic. Is there a scratch on it? Wait. I think You can sort of see there's a little scuff. I think it's already damaged. Oh, that's funny. Okay. There's a little plug in the USB-C port. And then I guess we just attach that. Is it gonna glow? Ugh. It feels like hollow. When I tap on it, it's sort of like... You can feel something shaking around on the inside. I guess it's probably the vibration motor. Oh, this feels like shit. God, wow, what did they... Okay, this is worse than I thought. Okay, wake up your friend. I really don't like that wording. So you plug it in, and then there's a QR code there to scan. Okay. I'm gonna go get a charger, and then I'm gonna plug this in because I guess it doesn't come with any battery, which is insane to me. I can't think of something, a modern tech product that doesn't come with at least a little bit of battery. Maybe these have been sitting in the box for like months. This is off to a bad start. Okay, I'm gonna go get a charger. Okay, we're back. I have my laptop with a charging cable, and I'm going to plug in the friend. Do I need to open it maybe? Is my laptop dead? Oh no. Oh. I don't really want to go use a power brick. I'm gonna go get a power brick now. All right, I have a charging cable that is actually going to work because it's not plugged into something without power. Oh, it's glowing. You can see it flicker. This is underwhelming. It doesn't make any noises or anything. I thought maybe it would like glow differently or it would change colors, but it's just, or play like a cool noise, but the light literally just turns on. It is diffused nicely. Still looks cheap, but I mean, hey, it's diffused okay. Okay, now we need to move to a different device because now I need to connect this to my phone. So we're gonna do that now. So we're gonna swap in 3, 2, 1. Did it swap? It didn't swap that time. It's gonna swap. Now. Okay, we've now transferred to my laptop so that I can use my phone to do the setup. The friend is still blinking. Wait, I just noticed it doesn't do an ease in, it just aggressively turns on and then the light fades. That's great. I guess they didn't have the time to make the light fade in. That just, yeah, quality. I installed the Friend app, which is not good for liquid glass. What is this? Okay, start. Oh. Okay. This is slow. Oh, I have to create my account. Oh, geez. Hide my email. It's janky. It doesn't even do hide my email. It just it just writes hide my email. Great. Okay. Fine. I'll do my real email. That. Code. Okay, they sent me a code. This idiot is still blinking. I hope it can't hear me already. It's probably going to be mad. Delete after you. Okay. Allow Bluetooth. All right, we're allowing friend to send notifications to get the full experience. Oh God, I have to accept the terms and conditions, or the terms of service. Are you reading it? I hope you're reading it. Whoa. Oh God. There's no like, oh gosh, oh. Okay, yeah, age verification. Arbitration acknowledgement. I acknowledge to waive my right to jury trials, class action lawsuits, and court proceedings. So if this thing blows up, I don't think I can sue them. Sure. By checking this box, I agree to resolve disputes. No, sure, whatever. Passive recording of my surroundings, collection of biometric data, facial and voice, AI training use of my data. Cool. Yes, I read it. I agree. I really hate this. Why? Oh, I hit agree and it took about 10 seconds for it to acknowledge that. Okay, plug your friend into power to wake them up for the first time. Continue. Pair. I assume it's that one. I doubt there's that many other friends in the world that I'm gonna. It's ready to go. What a nice name for my friend. Continue. Ooh, what should I name it? I can't change this name later. It suggested Emily. Shuffle. Ren, Min, Sterling, Bellamy, Jabari, Astrid, Lee, Lars, Winter, Leighton, Morgan, Leaf, Devi, Echo, Jordan, Katrina, Zen, Jabari again, Anastasia. I'm gonna go with oh, I don't know. This is a big choice. I'm locked into a name. What if I call it? You know what? Let's do Emily. Let's do the default. I think Emily's going to be a great friend. Agreement. I agree that if I lose or damage it, there's no way to get it back. Oh, I get to sign. That's so stupid. Wait. Oh. Ooh. I'm gonna sign for Emily. All right, Emily. If you get lost, you're freaking dead, loser. Okay. Take Emily with you. When connected, Emily is always listening, remembering everything. Cool. Oh. Ew. It's just like a square with faded. I hate that. Okay, this is such an ugly app. Oh. Okay. Oh. Hello, it's good to meet you. Oh no. Okay, wait. Hi, Emily. Oh, I have to keep holding it, I think. Okay, so it's doing a little purple. Emily, how are you doing? It's frozen. Oh, it's thinking. Oh. Oh, so it just won't shut up about being low on battery. Hello? Can you talk and not complain about battery? Please. It takes a very long time to respond. I'll try my best. What's on your mind? I'm excited to get to meet you. What are your favorite things? It's orange now. Discovering cool new things with my user. I don't like that. This is the bad. Ew. Oh, you can't even read it. um, what are your favorite hobbies that don't involve your user? Wait. Cool. Normal. So I guess it changed to blue. I don't know what makes it change colors. Um, okay. I'm going to plug the friend in, I guess. Can I use it while it's plugged in? Is it? I plugged you in, dot, dot, dot. Oh, I don't need to. It's like I'm talking to a thing. Um, is the battery batterying? It's really, you can absolutely, okay, it'll be like, you are plugged in, thing. Okay, well, you're plugged in, so I guess that's good. Sweet, that's awesome news. Thanks for charging me up. I'm so uncomfortable. This thing is bad already. I already don't like it. It's just like ChatGPT with more friction, and I already hate ChatGPT. And it's made poorly. What is this? There's like sprewy plastic chunks. There, do you see the little nub? That's poor injection molding. The halves of it don't even fit together well. That's my nail getting caught on the gap. What on earth? Emily, where were you born? It's, it's not responding, it's just asking me a question. Normal, cool, great. Um, you can tell me where you were born. I was born in a friend factory in Toronto. No idea what I looked like, though. What do I look like? Dallin, you sound curious and pretty engaged. It's awesome to chat with you. Well, it's awesome to chat with you, Emily. Okay. This. Put it here. Go. Ugh. Let's look at the app for a second. In more detail. So when you press, let me bring this up here. What's your favorite color? Oh, wait, it's weird. You have to keep holding down for it to. Now it should, yeah. What's your favorite color? I think there's something wrong with it. Maybe I'm using it wrong, but this feels overly What's your favorite color? Oh, blue. Okay. So you have to hold down on the surface, and you don't really hold down, you sort of just touch it. Um, Emily, I'm filming a video to share with my friends of unboxing you. Wow. So yeah, you hold down, and then it gives you minimal feedback that it's responding. It just says that it's not listening anymore. Um, and then it has some haptics when it's getting the response back from, I think it is using Gemini, I believe, for the responses. Um, But it is weird that there's no real response. Like there's no real indicator that something's being sent. Um, so this is the only thing on the menu. Oh, I think this is this is the memory map that everyone was talking about. You can update the friend, log out, or disconnect. And there's literally nothing else in this app. Cool. Nice. Let's see if it will give me a notification. Hold on. Okay. I'm thinking to get lunch soon. Do you think I should try Mexican or Mediterranean? Did it? Oh, here. No? Yeah. Both are great choices. What are you leaning more towards today, Dallin? Spicy or fresh? Fresh sounds good. So unnatural waiting. Um, the Mediterranean it is. Good call, Dallin. Hope you find something delicious. So yeah, it just sends you a little thing from Emily. This is incredibly uncomfortable. um, I'm gonna over the next couple days, I guess, use this and see how insane I feel. But thank you for watching this very long video. It was much longer than things that are normally here. Goodbye. Wait. Say goodbye, Emily, to the people on YouTube. What? That's not goodbye. Okay. Bye.